Well, these are classics. It is, of course, the Crossfade M-100s, sporting here in a lovely colour combination of the black and the orange. What do you get in the box, I hear you asking? Well, I'm glad you did, because it is a rather fetching box. You also get this rather lovely cable that allows you to share a connection. Here we go. So, if you want to share a connection, this cable is for you. The orange, of course, is far more normal with your microphone. And your inline controls. Another rather touching feature is you can change what side you have the cable in by simply removing this little plastic plug stopper, and then you can change it. I also went ahead and got the rather more functional XL memory cushions. Because we all love XL. And always with these kind of headphones, you get a carrying case. And here we go. Fetching black and orange. Very nice too. But you didn't come here to look all of that. You came for these little beauties. This is with the XL pads installed. Installation was simple once you look at a YouTube video on how you do it, and then it's quite simple. You just got to make sure that you do clip it in all the way round, but 15 minutes, sit down, get yourself a nice cup of tea, and it's readily doable. So where do these headphones stand then in the big world of headphones that I have reviewed on my channel starting many years ago? Well, these sit firmly in a very different camp from my other headphones. My other headphones are audiophile headphones, and these are fun headphones. Sennheiser's HD660S's, get your diary, write an appointment in it, and you will know that that's when you're going to listen to them. It's nice to be in the mood for the Sennheisers. These, well, I listen to these on the Xbox as a microphone, headset. They're absolutely fine. You can listen to any kind of music. They are a little bass, a little bit of bass, a little bit of bass, a little bit of bass heavy, of course. But you knew that. That's why you're here, right? Are they too bass heavy? If you are an audiophile and you are used to very neutral headphones, then yes, when you put these on, you're going to get a little surprise, because they're going to go low, give you that little bit of bass. If you're used to like standard headphones, you know, your Dr. Dre Beats kind of style, then no, these aren't extraordinarily bass heavy. If you go onto the Head-Fi forums, for example, and there's a bass lovers thread, there are much more bass heavy headphones than these. They do a test with a piece of paper, and there are some headphones that absolutely can go much more bassy than these. These are like a fun headphone that also deliver clarity. Some bassy headphones distort when they start to really go down for that low vibe, but these don't. Let's have a little look, shall we? 50mm dual diaphragm. Patent pending. Memory foam, dual inputs, same play, reinforced cable, V-port, custom metal shields, V-angle steel. I think you're getting the idea there, aren't you? I'm sure you are. So, yeah, let's have another little look here. 1 million cable bends, you see. They are very good quality. up to 10 flat headband bends. And they are light as well, 280 grams. There's the cables that you get and the adapter that you get, of course. And there you have it. The M-100. Yeah. So, I got a little bit carried away there. Do you need these headphones? If you're an audiophile, these probably aren't going to be on your recommended list because you're looking for that neutral sound. If you're doing it for video production, probably not. There's still a little bit of bass. Heavy gaming. I like them for gaming. Yes, absolutely. Especially with the microphone, they make a good headset. And for travel, yeah, they do fold actually. They do fold up. So, you know, you can actually get away with these for travel. As you can see, they go into each other. So they're not your best option for travel, of course. But if you're into that kind of fun dance, electronic music style, then by all means slap these on and go onto the bus. And they do isolate quite nicely as well. They're not going to compete with the Sony 1000 Mark IIIs in the terms of noise cancellation, naturally, but as far as passive noise cancellation goes, yeah, absolutely, they can definitely work. So that's what you get. Price isn't too bad. Really is a nice box though. I do love the touches on this box. One of the best, absolutely. But there's the package that you will arrive to, and all in all, I reserved these. To be honest, these mostly sit on my Xbox at the moment. That's just where I kind of enjoy them the most for gaming, I guess. That's where they've kind of lent their place to. But if I ever have a mood to sit down for an hour and bang out some nice, Faithless Insomnia style, then I would pick these over the 660s. For sure, absolutely. They are much more fun to listen to, all in all. A good all-round headphone, and impressive because they can deliver full body and full balance, which is nice. There's too many headphones now where the bass is just cancels out everything, whereas these don't. And what I've been doing a lot lately is listening at lower volumes as well. All headphones, if you crank them, you can get some bass going on, but it's not so easy to have a headphone where you can lower the volume and still get some nice sub bass. And with these, you can. So if you don't want to take the headphones off and have your ears ringing for an hour, a week, a month, or a year afterwards, these can work good if you still want to experience fun headphones without cranking it up all the way to 11, which is nice for these. If I ever need a bit of a rest, let my ears settle a bit, I can put these on with much less volume. With the Sennheisers, I need to up that volume a bit more if I want to get any extreme sub bass coming out of them, which is sometimes nice to listen to. And with these, wind it back down again, back to a 6, and still have that same sub bass, if that is what you're into. Now, if you're a classical listener, not really for you. For classical, I think I would stick to my previous review a couple of weeks back of the 660s, much more suited to that. And if you're more vocals as well, the 660s, this is really a way to go in the electronic and dance world for me. I wouldn't really want to put them on and listen to Mozart. But anyway, you get the general idea of what these are and who they're for. So, as usual guys, it's been emotional.